Hello viewers! Welcome back to my channel, Holistic Insights. I'm Dr. Priya Kapoor, and today, we're exploring a topic that has taken the wellness world by storm: intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting, or IF, is a dietary approach that's not about what you eat, but when you eat. It's been gaining popularity due to its simplicity and the host of health benefits it offers. So, if you're ready to learn how to kickstart your intermittent fasting journey, let's dive in with 14 essential tips for beginners. But first, a very quick overview of intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is a method where you cycle between periods of eating and fasting. Unlike traditional diets that focus on what you can and cannot eat, IF is all about timing. It's simple, flexible, and has been shown to provide significant health benefits. Research indicates that intermittent fasting can help with weight management, improve insulin sensitivity, boost heart health, enhance brain function, and even promote cellular repair processes. But what are the key steps to get started successfully? Let's find out. The benefits of intermittent fasting are numerous and well documented. Studies show that it can enhance metabolic health, increase fat burning, and reduce inflammation. Additionally, IF can extend lifespan, improve mental clarity, and lower the risk of chronic diseases such as type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even cancer. By giving your body a break from constant digestion, you allow it to repair and rejuvenate, leading to a healthier, more balanced life. Now let's dive into my top 14 tips for beginners. First up, let's talk about hydration. It's crucial to drink plenty of water and zero-calorie beverages during fasting periods. Staying hydrated helps manage hunger and keeps your energy levels stable. You can also enjoy herbal teas and black coffee, which can help suppress appetite without adding calories. Next, when it's time to eat, make sure you're focusing on balanced meals. During your eating window, prioritize nutritious, balanced meals. Think whole foods like vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These help ensure you get the necessary nutrients and avoid the spikes in blood sugar that can lead to cravings. Choosing the right plan is another key step. Pick an IF method that fits your lifestyle. Popular methods include the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. The 5-2 diet, which involves eating normally for 5 days and restricting calories for 2 days, and alternate day fasting. Each method has its own benefits, so find one that aligns with your schedule and goals. Pay attention to how your body responds to fasting. Some people might experience initial hunger or fatigue, but these usually subside as your body adapts. Listen to your body and be ready to make adjustments as needed. It's all about finding what works best for you. If you have pre-existing health conditions, it's a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before starting intermittent fasting. They can offer guidance tailored to your health needs and ensure that fasting is safe for you. Another tip is to practice mindful eating. Slow down and enjoy your meals without distractions. This helps you recognize hunger and fullness cues, preventing overeating and promoting better digestion. Make sure to include adequate protein in your meals to maintain muscle mass and keep you feeling full longer. Proteins are essential for muscle repair and can help stabilize your blood sugar levels, reducing the likelihood of cravings. Setting realistic expectations is important too. Understand that results can vary, and it might take some time to see significant changes. Be patient and give your body time to adapt to the new eating schedule. Remember, intermittent fasting is a lifestyle change, not a quick fix. Adjust your fasting schedule around social gatherings to make it easier to stick with your plan. Flexibility is key here, and it's perfectly fine to tweak your fasting windows to fit in social events without feeling restricted. Keeping track of your progress can also help. Use a journal or an app to monitor your fasting times and dietary intake. Tracking your progress can keep you motivated and make it easier to see the benefits of your new routine over time. It's also a good idea to limit processed foods. Avoid high-calorie junk foods that can undermine the benefits of intermittent fasting. Processed foods often contain added sugars and unhealthy fats, which can lead to weight gain and increased inflammation. Leverage technology to your advantage by using fasting apps. These can help remind you of your fasting windows and track your eating habits. There are many apps available that can make intermittent fasting more manageable and help you stay on track. Start gradually with shorter fasting periods and increase them as you become more comfortable. Starting slow helps your body adjust to the new routine and reduces the likelihood of feeling overwhelmed. Lastly, gradually extend your fasting periods. Slowly increasing your fasting time makes the practice more sustainable and helps avoid feelings of deprivation. This gradual approach allows your body to adapt, leading to long-term success. In terms of timeline, here's what to expect. In the first couple of weeks, you might experience hunger or irritability as your body adjusts to the new eating patterns. Stay hydrated and try to push through this initial phase. By weeks 3 and 4, your body should start adjusting. You'll likely notice stable energy levels and fewer cravings. You might also feel more energetic and less dependent on constant meals. By the second month and beyond, the benefits become more apparent. You may experience continued weight loss, improved metabolic health, and better mental clarity. Many people find that IF becomes a natural part of their lifestyle, making it easier to maintain in the long run. What does all of this mean? Intermittent fasting offers a flexible approach to eating that can lead to significant health improvements. By following these beginner tips, you can navigate the early challenges and successfully integrate intermittent fasting into your lifestyle. Remember, the key is to personalize the approach to fit your specific needs and consult healthcare professionals to tailor the plan to your health profile. Embrace the journey and enjoy the benefits of better health and longevity. I encourage you to try these tips and see how intermittent fasting can transform your health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more holistic health insights. Share your experiences and tips for starting intermittent fasting in the comments below. Take care, and stay healthy.